Guys, take a look. Oh my gosh, take a look of this pizza. Look at this. Shh. Let's start this video like that. Soft and crunchy in the same time. Guys, today I'm going to show you, it's super special because Giovanni Fo is from Italian Exploring Food. We're gonna talk this about later. This guy's from Roma, guys. Today I'm going to show you two best and the most typical food from Roma.
Carbonara and matriciana.
Carbonara is the pizza, guys. We made a carbonara pizza.
With a pizza chef and a Roman guy.
Guys, this guy's from Roma, so make sure you watch this video because I got this video really from scratch. From the dough to the pizza, from the ingredients to this fantastic. We're gonna bring you back to Roma, so watch until the end, guys. And don't forget, smash the like and subscribe. Okay, and now it's time to make the actual pizza dough, guys. Same day pizza dough. Actually, this is gonna take 2 hours. You believe this? In 2 hours, this dough is gonna be ready. This is how to make it. And this is the recipe. So here we go. Of course, we have to prepare the polish. Polish is made with 300 grams of water, 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast, 5 grams of honey. Let's go ahead. Let's put it inside. Look at this, nice and fermented. Let's put it inside the madia. We need 200 milligrams of really cold water. Melt for a few seconds. Now let's add 15 grams of salt. Melt the salt in the water, and then 380 grams of flour. There we go. Mix the dough inside this box for until it gets all together. After 3 minutes or so, we let it stay in the container for about 5 minutes, just like that. Open. Try to take everything out from the container and put it all together. Let's wait 5 minutes at room temperature. Okay, 5 minutes is passed by, and this time of resting time needs to build up the gluten. So let's go ahead and let's dump everything on top of the counter. Make sure to get all the flour. So now it's time to make the actual dough. You can do it like that, see, because already it's built the gluten. So you can go ahead and make the dough like a ball. Let's go ahead and let's put a little bit of olive oil, like a teaspoon of olive oil. Integrate everything. If the dough is not smooth, you have to go ahead and work it a little bit more. But this is the best way. That 5 minutes rest in the container helps the gluten to develop the gluten. So that's why it's really good. Okay, voila. So guys, at this point, take a look. It's not smooth yet. So a little bit of olive oil on top. Make sure you put it everywhere. Get a plastic wrap or a plastic bag. Go ahead and cover up and leave it rested for about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes is passed by. Voila, like you can see, the dough is nice and smooth. Now, you'll see, we're gonna create the balls. So cut it and let's make the balls. So we're gonna create about 4 balls, about 250 grams each. Always what I suggest to make the dough ball more strong is to put a little bit of dough under. Now look at this, like a magic, put a little bit of olive oil in your hands, little bit. Top on top is becoming nice and smooth. See, that's what we want. So same thing on this, or this is the other way to make the ball. Put the dough inside until it's nice and smooth. Voila, and then you close it. Voila, this is how you make the dough balls. Okay, get the box, put a little bit of flour on the bottom of the box, and now let's get the ball and place it inside the container. A little bit of flour on top. This way they don't stick together, and then it's gonna be easy to take it out. Voila! So the pizza dough, it's ready. So now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and let it rest 1 hour at room temperature. And then we're gonna get ready with all the toppings because it's gonna be an interesting video. So dedicate your time and watch until the end and subscribe, guys, down there below. It's totally free. Go for and I'll see you 1 hour. Okay guys, after 1 hour and a half at room temperature, this is the dough. Take a look. The dough is perfect. Ready. But before making the pizza, of course, Giovanni is gonna show us. Today I'm gonna make the carbonara your style.
2 choices for you. 1 carbonara and 1 amatriciana. The 2 most famous pasta in Italy.
This guy's from Roma.
From Roma,
so,
that where the carbonara
Amatriciana e la carbonara. Okay, Giovanni, so we got, this is the real guanciale. But of course, guys, if you don't find, this is also super expensive. Let me see the price. Wait. 14 bucks.
15 bucks.
Look at this
for
one.
500
Look at this little piece right here, 8 bucks. But anyway, if you don't find the guanciale, if you go in the Italian local store, guaranteed you're gonna find it. So let's go ahead and let's chop it up a little bit.
Okay, we have to do little stripes. This is my size.
So I see the cut here.
This is enough.
Like about a finger.
The first thing you have to be careful when you do a carbonara
Yeah.
is that.
The black pepper.
This is the black pepper that they put into the guanciale, the Italian guanciale.
Well, if they're using bacon, they can add pepper, right?
Exactly, but if you have too much pepper, it's gonna be really, really salty. The guanciale is so salty. Don't add salty in the recipe.
Yes.
And just see what I do. Then, when we start to cook the guanciale, we have to be really careful because we need a little bit of his fat.
Okay, so what we're looking
now
here,
we have
Giovanni,
to
hold on a second. So in the same time,
Yeah, I'll take the red of the eggs, not too much. When you see the fat to a side, tell me. We'll need the oil.
only the red, guys. How many? 2?
Maybe 3. Now, we have to take this.
The fat. Okay, hold on a second.
Let me see.
Okay. We need the oil.
It's hard.
A
Wait,
little bit more.
like this.
So it's very important that the fat needs to be hot.
Yeah, and you know why we have to take the fat out of the guanciale?
Why?
Because it becomes more crispy,
Aha.
easily.
So
That's
it
a trick.
doesn't get fried, basically.
Exactly. You have to put out the oil because it will be more crispy for you.
So they can also make a carbonara with this. The actual carbonara with spaghetti.
Yeah, you can do that.
Let me turn this.
Okay.
Otherwise it's gonna burn.
This is pecorino. I need another
Okay,
egg.
one more egg.
Because it's this pecorino, not a good pecorino.
It's too thick.
Yeah,
We need a fine pecorino then.
exactly.
So here we need to make basically a cream.
We just need a few fat. I'm going to use the hot oil.
Hot oil.
Maybe too hot, maybe too hot.
So get the fat that we take out before. This way it's a little bit cooled down, and then we don't cook the egg because we don't want to cook the egg.
Right now, the carbonara is kind of better. The pecorino was too thick, but I think I could handle it.
That's the consistency that you want.
Yeah, not perfect, but almost.
Perfect.
So we need this to wet this. Okay.
And that's the guanciale, right? Fantastic.
It's crispy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Vito,
Okay.
wait.
Yeah, what's up?
Wait, before to do the dough, you have to let me the space in the corner.
You're gonna do the
board.
You're gonna fill up the crust.
I have to fill up. So
Okay, so that makes it different. So let's go ahead. Let's stretch the dough. If you wanna fill up the crust, you have to stretch everything. So no crust.
okay, no crust. Vito is really a master.
And also, we're gonna go the opposite way. So we press everything. A little bit of flour. The reason why I do this is because you wanna pop the air in the crust. Otherwise, it's gonna make a hole. Vai, Joa. Okay, this is a little bit bigger.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Now it's hard. It comes the hard part, okay?
Okay, now you want guanciale?
In the old board, I want the guanciale.
Super special pizza, guys.
Just on the board, just on the board.
Yeah. So the reason why we're putting it inside, I guess, is to not cook more the guanciale, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's save some for later. Okay, now inside
A
we
little bit
do
more.
pecorino, right? Pecorino inside.
And also in the middle, not too much because pecorino is salty, you know.
Unfortunately, this is the pecorino that we find. I know
Okay.
that you want the pecorino, the fine pecorino.
Now you close the board.
So that's how you close the board, the crust. This is how you fill up the crust, guys. But it's very important, when you finish this part, you're gonna get a little flour, you're gonna detach the pizza from the floor because this is detached. So you're gonna make sure the pizza is detached from the floor.
Now the mozzarella in the middle, not too much.
Just a little bit. Little bit of olive oil.
Okay. put
Now
inside.
let's go in the oven, let's cook it. Pinch it, then bring it under. At this point, we're gonna make sure it's big. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and let's cook it. Go all the way inside, all the way. One shot. Oh, good job.
Easy.
Hey, this is my first time making the pizza this way.
I want Vito to learn something about the Roman culture, the Roman carbonara, the Roman amatriciana.
It's almost to be ready.
Almost.
Voila.
Perfect.
Take a look of the crust. Outstanding. A little bit of olive oil on the crust, just to make it shiny. What do you think? Voila, Joa, take a
Now
look.
we have to wait a little bit, not too much. Gonna try to put this in the properly way.
This cream, outstanding. That's fantastic.
Doesn't matter if you go all around.
Yeah,
see?
of course.
If it's a good carbo crema, you will like it. Perfect.
And now the guanciale.
All the way up.
Wow.
This is your pizza
And then,
carbonara.
guys, the carbonara pizza is ready. Incredible.
Looks incredible, right?
Yeah. Hopefully now it tastes incredible.
We hope so.
Remember one thing, the pizza it needs to be cut at 6, not 8. Wow, take a look, guys. Take a look of this.
Perfect dough.
No, but besides the dough that we made the same day, take a look at the crust. That's the inside, how it looks like.
I'm so curious about that. I'm gonna try.
What I like to do is do this like a cannolo style. And then,
Well, good. The guanciale
wow.
looks not so good
You brought me
by
back.
texture, but
You brought me back to Roma. Wow.
the guanciale is not that bad. This guanciale we found here is not that bad. The taste is crispy. She's from Rome.
Oh yeah?
You have to
know.
eat it.
Give me the camera. Taste this pizza and let me know. What do you think? Hold on. You taste, get the flavor in your brain.
The guanciale is so crunchy. It's a fantastic pizza.
It's worth it for a Roman guy.
Yeah.
You will eat it in Rome.
Yeah.
Okay, Giovanni, it's time for the second one.
The second one is a little bit harder, but easier at the same time.
Okay, let's go ahead and let's make this pizza.
The second pizza, Vito, is a little bit different. We start cooking the guanciale. We do need to have it
Same
crispy.
thing here.
Same
They also can use the
pancetta,
Pancetta.
not the bacon. For the carbonara, you have to use guanciale, okay? It's better
Yeah.
guanciale. But for the matriciana, if you use pancetta,
say okay. Shh.
don't tell anyone.
Okay, Giovanni, I see that you take off the fat, right?
Yeah, because you have to make crispy
The
the guanciale. Not every
Yeah,
Roman does
I
like
never
this.
did it.
This stuff here is
Look
too
at this,
strong.
look at this, ready?
Oh fuck. The trick for the perfect matriciana.
Matriciana and carbonara, repeat guys, is the typical food from Rome. And this
the
guy's
most
from
famous pasta in Rome.
That's
Is what
right.
you want. Now you put the tomato on it.
Rome. Follow.
It's okay, it's okay. Move it. A little bit more? No, it's okay.
We are making outstanding. Can you believe me? If I say to you I never made amatriciana in my life.
You have to move a lot. So right now, you know what we need? Do you
Right.
remember the pecorino?
Yeah.
Again.
So we're gonna make like a cream basically.
You know the
smells
secret.
good, man.
You know the secret of Italian food?
No,
Pepper.
pepper. In USA it's garlic.
Yes,
They
true.
put garlic everywhere, man.
I put too much pecorino, bro. That
That's
was
okay,
my
this
fault.
pecorino is too thick anyway.
Yeah, you see, it takes the white. It doesn't
Yeah,
have the
you
white.
don't wanna see the white, yeah. Hopefully it melts. Okay, let's cook this
Okay,
for about
let
3
me
minutes.
see.
That's the consistency of the sauce. Outstanding sauce.
A Napolitan one, okay?
Napolitan style. Wow, did you see the dough that we made? Man, same day dough. Outstanding. That's how you press the air to the crust. And then tap, 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 tap.
It's so fast.
Then you press and you pull. You press, right hand you control, left hand you pull. That's it. A nice scoop of tomato sauce.
The problem is that you have to take all the guanciale.
You gotta use your fingers, my friend. Know what I'm saying? Okay, this way you can spread all the guanciale everywhere, still hot. Extra virgin olive oil, voila.
That's yours.
That's it. Okay, put this in the oven, my friend. Perfect, done.
Okay. Now the
Let's
muscle
cook
cook.
it. Lower down the flame.
This one will be totally better than before.
It's lovely, ready, nice and crispy and crunchy. Gosh, take a look of this pizza.
Ooh.
Man, every time I do, I feel soft and crunchy, get my heart. Wow. Outstanding. Can't wait to taste this pizza. Like that, when you get here, tack, you detach.
Okay.
Then, instead of going on the center, you're gonna go a little bit on this side.
Okay.
And then, layer. Voila.
The best.
Get the guanciale inside there.
Oh my. No, guys. Somebody will. Ooh.
Really surprised me.
So forte, huh?
It's good. And then the good thing of these pizzas, that you can save a little bit on the side, and tomorrow they can make the
pasta.
The pasta.
And when you come to the board, to the corner,
With the Italian typical thing, the scarpetta.
this is your best pizza ever. With my sauce and your dough, was the best pizza today.
Wow. Wow, guys, what can I say? Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, check out this guy, link in description. Subscribe to me, to him. And I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!